Welcome back. Sabihin mo na.
Hi
Welcome
guys!
back. Welcome back. To our vlogs.
Welcome back to our vlog. And
For this video, we are at
Queen Elizabeth
Park.
Park. Tama ba? And medyo marami palang tao no hindi namin in-expect kasi hindi naman super sunny.
Pero mainit siya ngayon, guys. 16
degrees. Currently 16 degrees. Yes, it's good kasi umiinit na.
Picnic lang tayo dito.
But also very madaming tao. Medyo na-overwhelm kami. Ang daming pangyayari sa paligid. Pero maghanap tayo ng spot ngayon na pwede tayong mag-standby or umupo.
At saka kumain ng... Pumili kami ng donut sa Melo.
Yep.
Ayun siya. Kaya, and ito pala.
Earl Grey na
Earl Grey
inumin.
drink. Tapos, kainin natin. Upo tayo tapos kain. Anong flavor yung sa'yo?
Merong natalaan, meron yung double chocolate na sinabi mo.
Okay.
Yeah. So maghahanap tayo ng spot, guys. Upo lang tayo and then magchichikahan tayo. Meron tayong pag-uusapan.
Anong pag-uusapan natin?
Mag-uusap tayo about if magagamit ba yung program mo if nag-aral ka dito sa Canada, if you're an international student. So, we'll talk more about that
in a little bit.
Yeah.
So we found a spot here at Queen Elizabeth Park.
Meron silang dito, parking.
Parking ng mga tao.
Picnic
Area.
Picnic area. And madaming tao actually. Madaming tao ngayon. And eto, yung kanina bumili kami sa Melo. Ayan, donut. Ano kung nakakita niyo ba? Donut.
May
Donut.
feeling.
Yeah. May iba't ibang flavors din sila. And then we also got this one, Earl Grey na inumin. Meron din silang black sesame pero ito yung gusto namin.
True.
Anyways, sa ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung mga graduate na or ano ang mangyayari sa'yo pag graduate ka as an international student dito sa Vancouver. So, itong vlog na to, itong video na to is ihahandog namin siya sa mga bagong dating na international students or nagbabalak pa lang na pupunta dito. Kasi may mga kakilala kami na may mga questions din sila about if magagamit ba daw nila yung pinag-aralan nila na program after nilang graduate dito as an international student. So bago yan, if gusto nyong mag-study and mag-remain dito sa Canada after nyong mag-school as an international student, pwede naman yan. Maririnig ba yan? Pwede naman yan. Just make sure na eligible yung school nyo na pwede kayo makakuha ng post-grad work permit. Yung post-grad work permit, yun yung permit na mag-a-allow sa inyo na mag-remain or tumira pa rin dito sa Canada even without a work or yung trabahong nag-aantay sa inyo. So pagka-graduate nyo, kukuha kayo ng permit na yun and you can work full-time any klase na work. So yung tanong nyo if magagamit ba yung program or pinag-aralan mo dito sa Canada after you graduate, the answer is depende. Depende kasi yes, pwede naman if you're very much willing na i-pursue yung program na yun or gusto mong magtrabaho sa field na yun, yes, pwede talaga. But for some students na graduate, yung iba habang nag-aaral na sila dito, siguro na-realize nila na gusto pa nilang magstay here. So they look for a job na pasok siya sa express entry kung gusto nilang mag-permanent resident dito.
Express entry meaning yung yung
Permanent resident application.
okay.
Yeah.
Kasi to be able to apply for the
express
PR,
entry.
for the express entry, kailangan mo ng work na nandun sa listahan ng mga categories
Na eligible na mag-apply. Nag-apply, oo. So, isa na din kasi si Kim na nagtanong sa akin if magagamit ba daw, and then may mga friends din kami na nagtatanong na nagamit mo ba yung mo, na pag-aralan mo dyan sa work mo ngayon.
And wait lang. That's an important question to ask. Kasi nga, kung kunwari, plano mo talagang gamitin yung pang-graduate mo na na degree or na master's program. Kailangan piliin mo yung program na talaga alam mong magagamit mo. Kasi may mga ibang international student na nag-international student kasi gusto nila na eventually magstay na sa Canada.
Merong iba din na nag-international student sila dito sa Canada kasi
bakit ka nag-ganyan?
kasi gusto nila ng gusto pa nilang maka-earn ng iba pang klaseng like yung pag-aaral internationally magagamit nila sa Philippines kasi 'di ba kung nag-aaral ka sa labas ng bansa,
Valued.
More chances of getting a higher position sa Philippines. Depende sa experience mo. Pero binavalue ka if aral ka sa ibang bansa. But sa case ko, when I was studying here as an international student, dati, na-realize ko na parang gusto ko naman pala na magstay dito ng pangmatagalan. So, napasalamat na lang ako na yung napag-aralan ko, nagamit ko naman siya ngayon. Pero, syempre, sa iba din na gusto nilang makapag-apply for permanent residence sa Canadian experience na express entry na application, syempre maghahanap sila ng klase ng trabaho na labas sa program nila nung pinag-aralan nila para ma-support yung application nila. Ganon yun.
True. So, ang answer is depende sa hinahanap nyo. Kasi kung nag-graduate kayo or nag-apply kayo ng student visa and yung schooling nyo inano nyo lang para makarating ng Canada, yes, you can use it, but you don't necessarily have to use it. And mahirap din naman na kunwari baguhan ka pa lang tapos na-finish mo yung degree in 2 years, tapos right after ang gusto mo ng position yung position mo na kunwari HR director, ganon, kasi kakatapos mo lang na masters. It's a bit harder to get positions that are like that, especially for mga non-PR holders or work permit holders, because I think that goes through a different process sa HR na kailangan nilang mas maraming i-check. I don't know. But it's also, they also take into consideration yung work experience mo in Canada. Like, if you're able to communicate with people here na in the same culture. Kasi iba talaga yung work culture from the Philippines and here.
Very much. Nag-agree ako dyan. Kasi before, nung una pa akong dumating dito, hindi pa ako graduate, nag-apply pa lang ako ng part-time job sa isang bank. Medyo hesitant ko sila kasi wala pa akong any experience na dito sa Canada. So, ang dami nilang tinatanong. But then nung
kasi kailangan din yun, guys. Kasi kailangan nila ng reference na hindi sa Philippines. although they will take like references from the Philippines kasi okay naman ngayon may email na, so nai-email na, pero iba pa rin yung you can
Sabi.
call them and they can validate na you are like you're a good worker here in Canada and you haven't done anything here that's bad, all of that. Kasi kung bago ka lang, diba, like why are you going to be trusted even though you are a trusted person, especially if you don't have a lot of experience in the Philippines. Parang same lang yan na kung Philippine doctor ka tapos nag-move ka dito, you can't be a doctor right away. Like you still have to go through schooling
For exams.
Yeah. Mag-upgrade.
Siguro sa office setting, isa din na kinoconsider nila is yung environment and yung culture on how you manage yourself kung sa mga ganun na klase na setting. Kasi for example, wala kang experience sa trabaho dito, office setting dito. And then, syempre, maninibago ka, baka ma-overwhelm ka. Yung parang, ganito pala sila. Syempre, isa din yun na kailangan i-consider. Pero I think siguro sa trabaho itself, alam natin na hindi imposible sa atin na mag-adjust sa trabaho kasi sanay na tayo sa ganyan eh. Pero syempre kinukonsider pa rin nila yung attitude mo towards the work.
Yeah.
Yung parang
But
ganyan.
also, if you go to school here, you're an international student. Even if you don't plan on using your degree, whatever you graduate with here, you can still use yung mga soft skills na malalearn mo from school. So that's presenting and communicating, business planning, or even like teamwork, all of that. So wag niyong maliitin yung mga
Soft skills na yun.
soft skills na yun at saka yung mga experience na kukuha niyo from school. Kasi like even for people from here, right, like when I first started applying for jobs after school, the only examples that I have for teamwork, for culture, for how to manage my timing and how to organize things is from school. So
True.
in anything, magagamit nyo talaga yung experience nyo from whatever you graduate with and your schooling experience. And even yung mga teachers nyo, you can use as references for working. So
True.
the short answer is yes, you can use your
In a way.
yeah, you can always use it, but it's also based on you as a person, like if you really want to go that route professionally. Yeah.
So siguro yun nga, kung sa question na magagamit ba ang program, depende. Pero yung natututunan mo sa school, yung soft skills na mention ni Kim, you can always use it. Yeah.
True.
Makain kami ng mayo. Sarap.
Yeah, I finished mine earlier. But yeah, si Kat, yung experience ni Kat, nagamit niya talaga yung yung pinag-aralan niya. Kasi
Business.
in the Philippines, parang same na rin yung field ng work na kung nasan siya, like banking and financial. Tapos nung after nun, she graduated
International Business Management.
So parang maraming nagtugma na skills. So she used it as leverage to get a job here.
Tama.
Yeah. But kasi may mga alam kami na mga ibang tao na parang completely different field yung pinasukan nila na program. And then so hindi naman nila alam kung magagamit nila or hindi, or they don't know if they will like it or not. So they are kind of like confused.
Yeah.
So just make sure that when you're planning your future and planning on your stay here sa Canada, na you take the future jobs into consideration as well. Yeah.
That's right. Pero alam nyo, maraming opportunities talaga dito. Even if hindi man kayo,
True.
for example, nag-graduate kayo sa program na gusto nyo, but then nag-end up kayo sa work na hindi nyo gusto kasi kailangan para mag-apply ng permanent resident. Well, after you get that, na-achieve nyo yan na goal nyo, you can always look for a job na gusto nyo talaga. Like, hindi naman sarado ang, yun lang talaga ang kinagandahan dito, guys. Hindi, ang daming opportunities for you.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami ng opportunities nyo. So, I hope na-answer namin yung questions nyo or yung curiosity nyo about if magagamit ba yung mapag-aralan dito. But for some of you, I think na andito na ngayon and nag-work na and a permanent resident na, I think maintindihan niya. Right?
So I think that's all for this video.
Yeah.
If you have any other questions, like how to apply for jobs after graduating, we will help you based on our experience, but we're not like
Super expert.
experts on this. We just want to share what we know and what works, or what worked for us and Kat and
Yeah.
and people with similar experiences.
Yeah, and also guys, if my questions kayo about anything about studying here, we will put a link sa Canada na website. They're very helpful.
Or drop it in the comments and we can quickly do a search for you, or if we already know or have experienced it, we will reply with detail in the comments.
Sure.
But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Sa susunod ulit. Also, those people who don't read our descriptions, we have descriptions and they're kind of funny sometimes.
True. Matatawa kayo. Sometimes.
Okay. Salamat sa lahat sa inyo. Dumadami na kayo. It's crazy.
Maraming salamat.
Sobrang napapasaya nyo kami kasi exciting siyang subaybayan.
Thank you so much, guys. And see you again next time.